Hey, we're heading over to Moshav Natur today. Let's go check it out. Welcome to Moshav Natur. Natur is an Israeli settlement and former kibbutz located in the southern part of the Golan Heights. The population is about 750. Natur used to be a kibbutz and it was established 40 years ago in 1980. But in 2008, it was converted from a kibbutz to a moshav. Natura is a mixed religious and secular community. Events, holidays, and festivals are all celebrated together, and all cultural activities are shared with taking into account the needs and beliefs of the moshav members. We heard that there was this dairy farm in Natura that makes gourmet cheeses, and we had to go check it out. We met Karina, who shared her story of how she moved from Cuba and found her calling making delicious cheeses that are natural and without preservatives right here in Moshav Natur. Karina explained to us the process, and we also tasted a variety of her cheeses.
I'm coming from Cuba. I met my husband in Europe, and we came here to be agriculture. And we started to make cheese from the sheep milk. All of them is sheep milk. And visit us. We have the wonderful place, music, Cuban music. She is very, very, very good. You're welcome.
Just about a minute away from Karina's dairy farm, we stopped in at Studio Mandarina. We met Rina, a computer animator turned glass artist who runs workshops for all ages and stages.
My name is Rina, and I work with fire. And everybody can come here and play with me. Make the animals, and another thing, I blow a glass.
Wow.
Okay.
It's singing beautiful. Rina showed us how to work with glass. She demonstrated how to make a spiral and explained that in some of her workshops, the focus is on team building, and she teaches the participants that when everyone makes one piece of the creation and then combines it together to form the finished product, they learn and see firsthand that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts.
See the flowers or the corona.
That's amazing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and everybody can do it.
So what are the ages?
The workshop is good for 10 years and up. And I have another workshop for younger. It's for all the family can come here and work together.
This area used to be empty fields, but Rina turned her dream into a reality and built this whole area up, which includes her glass blowing studio and workshop, an area for younger kids to create with glass, and her beautiful gift shop. You can also grab a quick bite to eat at Dura's. Education in Moshav Natur is based on integration values shared by the religious and secular community members. It includes daycare centers, kindergartens, and elementary school that focus on holistic learning and creative expression, a yeshiva high school whose focus is Torah, science, and technology, and post-high school seminary and a pre-army program. The Golan Heights in general, but especially Moshav Natur, felt like one big nature playground. There was so much open space for kids to run around and play, and the air felt fresh and clean. We couldn't help it. We had to stop and enjoy the parks and playgrounds and surrounding nature ourselves. Moshav Natur has a synagogue, a mikveh, a bath used for ritual immersion, a grocery store, a sports center, and lots more.
Hi, and welcome to Natura. Come visit here.
The economy in Moshav Natur is based on agriculture. People raise sheep and cows and grow many types of crops, plants, fruits, and vegetables. But just like in any place, there are lots of people who work in a variety of different professions. It was nice to pass through the neighborhoods and see the different style of houses. There are also boutique hotels and bed and breakfasts for guests to come and visit. And we can't forget the new housing developments that are being built in many of the places in the Golan Heights. Our last stop was Natura. It's just past the entrance of Moshav Natur. Hey, we're gonna go walk up this path right here. It's called Natura, and we're gonna go check it out and see what's over there. Natura is an ecological farm and campsite. You can pitch a tent, bring your trailer, or even sleep under the stars. The place had a great vibe and had everything you'd need for a nice getaway or a family retreat in nature. There were fruits and vegetables growing just right for the picking, and there are lots of areas to rest and relax while taking in some beautiful views. We hope you enjoyed visiting Moshav Natur just as much as we did. See y'all next time!